Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove email from Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you've decided to remove your email address, you should know that you have to add your mobile number before you delete your email address. If you've signed up with an email address and not with a mobile number, it is more likely that you haven't yet uploaded your mobile number. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can tap on account center. You can scroll down. There's an option personal details. Tap on that. So here's your personal detail like your contact info, your email address, your number, date birth. You can tap on contact info. You can manage your mobile numbers and email addresses to make sure that your contact info is accurate and up to date. Now you can tap on your email. There is an option delete email address. You can tap on that if you want to remove this email. You can delete email address. You will no longer be able to use this email address to log in, reset your password, or receive notifications. Please note that you may not able to delete this email address from accounts where it's the only contact method. You can tap on delete. Now you have to enter your password first. After you enter your password, you can tap on continue. And here we go. You've deleted your previous email address. You can see there's no more email address that I've used before. You can add another email address, or you only want your number on your account. So that is how to remove email address from Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!